Hi everyone, my name is Bradley Shoemaker. This is my introduction video to the digital photography class. I'm taking this class as an elective for my Masters of Natural Resources Stewardship program at CSU. I'm hoping to learn just some basic photography techniques to expand my skills outside, standard wildlife and landscape photography. I've taken a number of online classes before, including an entire Masters of Science, and I'm about halfway done through my Masters of Natural Resource program, which is online. The experience has been good. Flexibility is a big one for me. I'm a working adult with 3 daughters under the age of 5, so flexibility is important. Fun fact for me is I've lived in every time zone in the US and been to 44 out of 50 states. The camera equipment I'm shooting with is a Nikon D3500, 3 separate lenses, and a couple tripods. And my concerns are mostly about this as a new skill area for me.